Hello everyone, welcome to the Solid Edge tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn about FEA in Solid Edge. To perform FEA in Solid Edge, we need to follow certain steps. First, I will introduce those steps and then we will start applying them in the actual model. The first step is open your CAD model, open your part and assembly in Solid Edge. Then go to Simulation tab, Application, Start Menu Simulation. Then create a new study. Select like static, model or thermal, which type of study you want to do. Then assign material to the solid edge part or assembly parts. Then add constants like fixed, pin or sliding etc. Then apply loads like force, pressure, torque or gravity. Then apply mesh, generate mesh, and then run the program or solve, then generate the report from the system. So these are the steps we have to follow in Solid Edge FEA. So let's get started with actual model. One part open in Solid Edge. We will apply FEA for this CAD model. So go to simulation. This is the ribbon area for simulation tab. We have to click on new study. Then click OK with linear static study type and mesh type is tetrahedral. Click OK. Then apply material from this option like steel. So steel material has been applied here. We can see here as well. Also you can apply material from this area. Just right click on this material and then select material from the material table. So this is the option to apply material. Then next step is we are here now, assign material, add constraints like fixed, which portion is fixed in this CAD. So this bracket will be mounted with the help of these bolts. So we will apply fixed on this bolt portion. So this is the area for constraints. Click on fixed and select here features. So this bolt feature I have selected here. Just right click to accept. The constraints has been added here. We can see this in the simulation tab. Now we have applied material geometry. Now next step is to apply loads. To apply loads, here we have structural loads options. So we will click on force, select face or any feature or any point that you want to consider as a load point. So I will select face, click on the face, then enter value here like Newton, enter. Now direction is in upward. I want it in the downward direction. So click on it and click on this flip direction. Direction is changed. Okay. Now next step is to generate mesh. Here is the mesh option. So click on mesh and define here size of the mesh. We will keep midpoint of this finer and coarser and click on mesh. So it is started. So this one now model has been meshed. into small segments. Next step is to run and generate report on solve. To solve the equations, solving time depends on the complexity of the geometry and number of constraints. Now we can see here, this is the result for this simulation. The yield stress is 262 and maximum stress in the body or part it is around 25.5. So almost 10 times safer than the actual. Go to the home tab. We can animate the result. So click on animate. You can see here the animation for the model. Close this. This result is for stress. We can check this for displacement. Click on displacement. These are the values in mm for the displacement. Here we have lot of options for the displacement like T1 translation, T2, T3 translation. These are the directions. Also, we can see displacement in the rotation as well. Click on stress and last option. This is the factor of safety. We can see here. This is almost 10 times safer than the actual load. We can check here different type of stresses like maximum principal stress. It is 25.5. Minimum principal stress. This is also same value. Internal maximum principal stress. We can check these stresses here. In the color bar, we can see here minimum marker. So this is the minimum marker for stress value, also displacement value. This is the header. This is the maximum marker at node position. This is the value, maximum value. It indicates here is the maximum value for the stress. Go to the home tab again. Here we can generate a report. Click on report. There is the simulation report. This is the path. Click on create report. This is the final report for this simulation result. Like material, we have applied steel. This is the density. These are the properties for the material. Then this is the load that we have applied. These are the constraints. This is the mesh type. And these are the values for the displacement. Actual images, then stress result. Also factor of safety result. This is the report for the simulation. Also, we can save this result as a movie. So click on this option, save as movie. Click OK. Now this is been saved in the downloads. Okay, I have to open it with VLC media player. Yes, this is the movie of this simulation result. Hope have you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updated videos. Thank you.